auf Jaque Le Sac.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Here you see a typical beach bum, right after his first spawn on the ark. He has yet to even get a clue what's going on in this wilderness of giant beasts. But after a series of violent deaths, this beach bum too will have glorious adventures on his continuous quest to conquer this world of dinosaurs.
What is that? In my 48 years at sea, I have never seen anything that looks like this. And why is it staring right at me? Oh, my Poseidon, I have to do something quick. Maybe I have to take matters in my own hands and stop being such a coward. It's now or never. I have to tell him, stop staring at your phone and leave me alone. And now, fuck off.